can hit it that way.
We all know how important it is to smash in badminton and in life. But most of the times, we often think that our smashes are better than it really is. Well, today we're going to find out because we're going to show you 5 smash drill challenges that you can do on court to see how good you really are at smashing. And to make it extra fun, we came prepared. So for our first challenge, it's going to be a moving smash challenge. What we're going to be doing is doing side-to-side smashes, and what the worker has to be doing is hitting straight smashes. Now they have to hit one of these 2 cones on each side. So for each set, they're going to have 16 birdies. And we're going to see between me and Paul, or you and your friends, how many points you can get. When we're hitting these tubes, if we can hit it right on any part of the cone, that's 1 point. If we hit it right in between both cones, that is 2 points. Let's give it a go. Oh, 1 point. That doesn't count. Oh, that's through? Okay, 3 points, 3 points. Not bad, not bad. All right, all right. If I can't get 3 points, I'm gonna delete this YouTube channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The YouTube channel survives another day. Our second smash challenge is going to be a cross-court slice challenge. You'll see that over here, I've placed 2 rings at the tee of each side, one on this side and one on this side. Now, what we have to do again in one set of 16 birds is going side to side and seeing how many shots we can hit into the rings. In any ring, you get 1 point. Now, when you're doing this, you have to make sure that you're not cheating and you're not hitting a drop shot, okay? You still have to be swinging with speed. If you are cheating, then it doesn't count. I know all of you and your friends are gonna cheat, so make sure they're hitting proper slice smashes. Now, the only way to properly achieve shots this forward is adding in that slice, because if you do just tap smashes, it's gonna land around this area. All right, let's give it a go, Paul. Also, you're not really smashing, you're just kind of hitting drops.
It's impossible.
Let me show you how it's done. All right, all right. Some people, they think they know how to smash. You're like, oh, jump smash, jump smash. If that's you, comment in the comment section below. I'm that guy. 1. Drop. 2. 3. Come on, get on this side. Our third smash challenge is going to work on our tap smashes and our angle. So we set up 3 circles here, pretty forward. Now, in order to get a point, you have to make sure that your smashes are angled enough that it hits within these 3 circles. You think it's possible?
I'd have to hit like from way over up here at this angle.
Okay, we'll make it easier. Paul likes life easy. We'll add 1 more circle.
No pro can hit it that way, dude.
There's one video of Peter Gade where he hit it so steep. It was so crazy.
What does he do?
Yeah, it was difficult. He attacked a lot that rally. Lindan just soaked it up.
The shuttle. And therefore, Gader feels that he has to play.
All right, let's go for it. 16 birds. You got him within these hoops, forward to get a point. Is that in? Man, it's not even your angle problem, it's your accuracy problem. Everyone in the comments, everyone watching this video, roast Paul. Tell Paul how you guys can all be better than him, okay? Tell him how his smashes are slow. This is impossible without jumping, and unfortunately, I am too out of shape to jump. So let's just imagine that one of you guys can do it, because it's not me. For our fourth smash challenge, we're gonna see how fast you can get into position for your next smash after your first smash. So what's this gonna be is gonna be rapid smash. As soon as the other person contacts the bird, the next bird would have already come up. Now you need reasonable time in between shots, not too high, not too low. It'll be probably what I'm feeding, so let's give it a go. 16 shots, see how many you miss. Okay, that was the easy version. The harder version is each time, by the time you hit one shot, one bird is in the air. Let's try it. Oh, still a little bit easy, eh? Okay, we gotta up it up one more. 3 birds in the air after one contact. Tap, 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 tap. I think that's just gonna be my max speed serving. Okay, let me see. Guys, what are we doing? What is this channel? Is this supposed to be educational, or are we just like, what have we become? But you guys are still here for it, right? Our last challenge is going to be the Backhand Smash challenge, and this is going to be a one-on-one drill using one bird. So the person over there is going to be only backhand smashing, and the person on this side can only lift back to them, and we're going to see how many shots it takes for them to get a point or to kill themselves. Well, if you kill yourselves, it doesn't really count. We'll see how long it takes for them to get the points. Each time they kill themselves, we just start the counter from that point.
That's too far.
It's not too far, it's normal. 2, 3, 4, 5, you gotta adjust. 6, 7, 8, 9. Making more sound does not make the smash go faster.
Yeah, it does. It's proven, science.
38, come on. 39. Oh, okay, there you go. 39 shots. The Backhand Smash challenge. All right, here, I'm gonna do this in under 15. Let me show you. I was once known as Tawfiq Hidayat because I was too lazy to run to my forehands. All right, let's do it.
15. 16. 17.
You see how accurate all of my smashes are?
I don't know, man.
All to one spot. That's why you're lifting so easy.
20.
Yeah! How many is that?
20.
Enough. It was enough. All right. And that was the Smash Challenge games. Try it with your friends or don't try it at all. But what you should try is watching these videos.